Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about two critical topics in the field of technology. First is data science and second is data preparation. So to set the stage, let me share an interesting fact that 80% of the data scientist time is spent preparing data, not building models. So but it highlights just how crucial data preparation is in the data science process. So before dividing into the details, let me first explain what data science is, and then connect it to the importance of the data preparation. Now first we will understand that what is the data science. So okay, so data science is an art and the science of extracting information, extracting meaningful information from the data. So it is a field that combines statistics, programming, and domain expertise to solve real world problems. Think about recommendation systems on Netflix, or the fraud detections in banking, or the personalized healthcare. So these all are powered by the data science. But here's the catch: the insights and the solutions you see are only as good as the data that goes into the process, and that's where the data preparation comes in. So data preparation as a process of cleaning, organizing, and transforming raw data into a usable format. And if data science were a gourmet meal, and data preparation would be cleaning and chopping the ingredients, okay, before cooking. So without it, the end product wouldn't taste as good. So or in this case wouldn't be accurate or reliable. So as we understand that what is the data preparation and what is data science, the next slide will cover understanding the data landscape. So first is data source. In data source, we will identify and understand the origin of the data, that where it's from databases, APIs, or other sources. The next is data types. We will analyze the types of the data being used, such as a numerical or categorical or the textual, to determine appropriate processing techniques. Third is data schema, and the fourth is data volumes. So in data schema, it examines the structure and the organization of the data, which includes columns, rows, and relationship between variables. In fourth, the data volume, it assesses the size and the scale. Okay. The next is cleaning and transforming data. So data cleaning means removing all the inconsistencies, errors, duplicates, and the outliers that can skew results, like missing values, incorrect data types, or the duplicates. Data transformations, it modifies data formats, scales, or the units to make it suitable for the analysis, and which is feature scaling, data normalizations, encoding categorical variables. Now how one can handle the missing values. So first you have to identify all the missing values. So whatever missing values are in your data, first you have to identify it, and after that imputation methods. Okay, then you must choose an imputation method to replace them, and evaluate results. Just a second. Okay, and after that in the third step you have to evaluate the result, that is finally assess the impact of your imputation on the data. Feature engineering and the selections. Okay, feature engineering, create new features by combining or transforming existing ones to improve model performance. And next is the feature selection, choose the most relevant features for modeling, reducing dimensionality, and improving efficiency. Now feature importance, assess the impact of the different features on models predictions. Next is exploratory data analysis. So data visualization, so there are 3 points. First is data visualization, second is descriptive statistics, third is hypothesis testing. So in data visualization, create charts and graphs to understand data distributions, relationships, and the pattern. Next is descriptive statistics, calculate summary statistics such as mean, median, and standard deviation to summarize key data characteristics. And in the hypothesis testing, conduct a statistical test to evaluate relationship between variable and row inferences. After that, addressing data quality issues. So how one can address data quality issues? So if the issue is inconsistent data formats, then its solution is to standardize data formats across columns. Now if the issue is the missing values, its solution is to impute missing values using appropriate techniques. And if the issue is outliers, then its solution is to identify and handle outliers to prevent skewing results. Okay, so now we will look for the best practice for the data preparation. First is the documentation. In that you have to document all the data preparation step to ensure reproducibility and transparency. And next practice is data integrity. After that, the next best practice for data preparation is code optimization, and the last one is the quality control. In the quality control, you have to implement quality control measures to monitor data quality throughout the process. Thank you everyone, and stay tuned for the next video. Now we will see that how to add an index field using Python. So for that we will open our VS Code, and in this, okay, to add an index field to a list of the dictionaries in the Python, you can utilize the enumerate function, which okay, you can use enumerate function. And to iterate through the list while, okay, to iterate through a list while tracking the current index. So each dictionary in the list represents a record containing key value pairs such as a person's name and its age. By using a loop, you can add a new key and such as index to each dictionary, setting its value to the current index. Now this creates a unique identifier for every dictionary in the list. So for example, consider a list of dictionaries representing individuals. The loop iterates through the list, and for each dictionary, it appends an index. Okay, it appends an index field. If the list originally had records like name where Alice and age is 25, then in the next, name is Bob and age is equals to 30. After that, name is equals to Charlie and age is equals to 35. So in that, we add an index field through the enumerate function. So we have add an index field, and after adding the index, the records will transform into like, first I should run. Okay. Okay, as you can see in this output, in for every dictionary there, in the list, there index is added, index 0 for the this one. Okay, after that, name is equals to Bob, age is equals to 30, index is equals to 1. After that, next index is equals to 2. Okay, as we know that in Python our index starts from the index 0. So this approach is straightforward and ensures that every dictionary in the list is uniquely identified by its index field. Thank you everyone, and please stay tuned for my next video.